Every bottle of orange juice begins with carefully selected ripe fruit.
Only healthy, mature oranges are selected for the production line.
From the orchard, thousands of oranges begin their journey to the factory. The freshly harvested fruit is transported quickly to preserve its quality. Inside the facility, the harvest enters a carefully controlled processing environment.
The first step inside the plant is getting the fruit safely unloaded.
Heavy-duty handling equipment transfers the harvest directly to the processing line.
The fruit now enters the continuous processing line.
Before extraction, every orange must be thoroughly cleaned.
Clean fruit is now ready for the next stage of juice production.
After washing, the clean fruit moves directly into inspection.
Damaged fruit is removed before it can affect the final juice. Automated inspection adds another layer of precision to the sorting process.
Leaves and field debris are separated before the fruit reaches extraction.
A final rinse prepares the fruit for mechanical preparation.
Consistent sizing helps the extraction equipment work efficiently.
The separated fruit is reunited into one controlled production stream. The cleaned fruit is now prepared for controlled mechanical extraction.
A controlled buffer keeps the extraction line supplied continuously. Now the oranges are ready for the heart of the juice-making process. Here, mechanical precision transforms whole oranges into fresh juice.
Pressure releases the juice while the solid parts are separated.
The freshly extracted juice is immediately transferred into the controlled processing system.
Sanitary pumps move the juice through every stage without interrupting the flow.
Controlled separation removes excess pulp while preserving the character of the juice. Inside the processing tank, the juice is kept evenly mixed and carefully controlled.
Fine filtration creates a smoother and more consistent juice stream.
Controlled heat treatment helps protect the juice during processing.
After thermal processing, the juice is rapidly cooled for the next stage.
The refined juice is now ready for precision finishing and quality control. The refined juice now enters the final precision stage.
Natural pulp levels are carefully controlled for consistent texture.
Controlled blending keeps every batch uniform from beginning to end. Samples are taken directly from the production stream for detailed testing. The laboratory checks the juice against strict production standards.
Acidity, sweetness, and consistency are carefully measured.
Visual quality confirms that the juice meets the required appearance and consistency.
Safety testing verifies that the finished juice is suitable for production.
Once quality checks are approved, production continues toward final preparation. The finished orange juice is now ready for automated packaging and dispatch.
The finished juice now enters the automated packaging line. Clean bottles are synchronized precisely before filling begins.
Each bottle receives a precisely measured portion of orange juice.
The sealed bottles move continuously toward final identification and presentation.
Every bottle receives its label at high speed and precise alignment. Automated inspection removes defects before products leave the factory.
The finished bottles are grouped into secure cartons for transport.
Robotic arms build stable pallets ready for large-scale distribution.
From the production floor, the finished juice is ready for distribution.
And this is how modern factories process orange juice from start to finish.